Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. The heart is a complex organ that pumps blood through the body with an intricate system of muscle layer, chambers, valves and nodes. Heart sounds are created from the blood flowing through the heart chambers as the cardiac valves open and close during the cardiac cycle. Vibrations of these structures from the blood flow create audible sounds. Heart sound can be detected and heard easily with a stethoscope or by the help of phonocardiograph. Many pathologic cardiac conditions can be diagnosed by the auscultations of the heart sound. The main normal heart sounds are the S1 and the S2 heart sound. The S3 can be normal at a time but may be pathologic. A S4 heart sound is almost always pathologic. Heart sounds can be described by their intensity, pitch, location, quality and timing in the cardiac cycle. First heart sound is long, soft, low-pitched and often described as a lub. It occurs at the beginning of the ventricular systole. The first heart sound is generated due to closure of atrioventricular valve. It coincides with a peak of R waves of the ECG. The first heart sound indicates ventricular systole. It also indicates the condition of heart muscles called myocardium. Second heart sound is sharp and short, usually described as a dub. Second heart sound occurs at the end of ventricular systole. The second sound is generated due to the closure of semilunar valve and it coincides with the T waves of ECG. Second sound indicates the end of systole and beginning of diastole. Third sound is heard occasionally. It is short and low-pitched sound occurs at the beginning of middle third of the diastole. The third sound is generated due to the oscillations of blood back and forth between the walls of the ventricles and is initiated by inrushing blood from atria. The third sound can be normal finding in young patients, but is generally pathologic over the age of 40. The most common cause of the pathologic S3 sound is congestive heart failure. The third sound appears between T and P waves of the ECG. Fourth sound is weak and rumbling and cannot be observed with a stethoscope but can be recorded with a cardiophonogram. This sound occurs when the atria contracts just before the first heart sound. The fourth sound coincides with the interval between end of the P waves and onset of Q waves in the ECG. The presence of fourth sound usually indicates cardiac disease secondary to the decrease in ventricular compliances caused by either ventricular hypertrophy or myocardial ischemia. Auscultation means the process of listening to the heart sound. There are four important areas used to listening to heart sounds. These are aortic area, pulmonic area, tricuspid area, and mitral area. The first sound is best heard in tricuspid and mitral area. The mitral or bicuspid area is situated in the left fifth intercostal space, whereas the tricuspid area present over xiphoid process. The second heart sound is heard best in pulmonic and aortic area. Pulmonic area present over the left second intercostal space closer to the sternum. And the aortic area is situated over right second intercostal space near to the sternum. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.